Hey, grade twos, here is the lesson that you need to complete your Saskatoon passport. So this is for pages 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So first we're going to be looking at services. Services are jobs helping people, and we're going to be looking at industries. So let's take a look at what it says on this page. Saskatoon is a big city. Lots of people work in businesses or at the university. Others have jobs working for the government, such as police officers and healthcare workers. Many people work in transportation. People send goods to Saskatoon by truck, train, and airplane. So a few different things we have on this page. We have some industries. Government is an industry. Transportation is an industry because there's lots of different jobs within those titles. For example, police officers actually work for the government. So government is the industry, police officer is the service. So are healthcare workers, your nurses and doctors. Transportation, that's an industry because it provides lots of other jobs. People who drive the trucks and the trains and the airplanes. Those are the services of the industry of transportation. Here's another one. Restaurants. If restaurants are an industry, what do you think the service jobs are of a restaurant? There are libraries, movie theaters, hospitals, fire stations, and internet companies. Some of those are services, some of those are industries. Which do you think fit into which category? You can show me in your passport. So Saskatoon has 5 big shopping malls. There are hundreds of stores and restaurants. There are also libraries, movie theaters, hospitals, fire stations, and internet companies. What do kids do in Saskatoon? This is page 18. And here's the important part. Saskatoon has riverbank trails for hiking and bicycle riding. In the winter, it's going to go skating and cross-country skiing. And finally, we're going to talk about tourism. Tourism is all the things that you could do if you were to visit a place. And page 19 asks you to make a list of places or things in and around Saskatoon that you would like to visit. So here are some of the things that you could do while you were there. So Saskatoon has a film festival and a children's festival too. Visitors enjoy Saskatoon sunshine. People also come for concerts and festivals. They visit museums and parks and wildlife areas. Local people have jobs that help tourists enjoy all of these things. Maybe you would like to visit this place. Beaver Creek Conservation Area is near Saskatoon. People visit there all year to learn about nature. In summer, they can walk beside the creek to explore the woods and learn about animals from people who work there. In winter, the creek becomes a long, winding skating rink. And there's some statues of some bison that you could go see. Or you could visit Boomtown. At Boomtown, visitors can see what Saskatoon was like nearly 100 years ago. And there finally is the picture of the Saskatoon flag, or rather not the Saskatoon flag, the Saskatchewan flag that you will need for coloring on page 20. So hopefully that will help you get finished all of the pages in your passport. Happy learning!